Okay, so guys, this is about Microsoft Dynamics Learning Portal. This is one of the very interesting platform that Microsoft has gifted us for us partners to enhance our knowledge in various fields like let's say technical or marketing, sales, even projects as well. So it's a very vast. I would call it an ecosystem because it's not only about CRM. It's got Solomon 4, that is SL, Microsoft Dynamics SL, that's again ERP, Navision, AX. So it has wonderful, so it has all the platforms. So also Dynamics marketing, that's something which has come new also. Social engagement, sorry to say it, social listening is an old name. So social engagement, they have written videos but nothing more on certification or something. It's more of an analytical tool. So I'll just do a small way through those slides on I'll make you understand how to go about this, how to choose your desired courses or something depending on your interest levels. Sorry, I can't call it interest level anymore because you are given a designation, so you should go about that. So we all are marketers. Obviously, there is something called your role. So you select your role as marketing, and then you go ahead with it. So the agenda for today, I'll be covering on. Obviously, I'll be introducing what DLP is, what are the features that's in DLP, how can we make use of DLP. That's very very important. We need to really squeeze in all the information. What we need to grab a lot of knowledge. So it's Ramadan right now. It's a bit it's a bit kind of a dry market. So let's utilize this time, gain more knowledge, and be very effective for our prospecting as well. And obviously, how to go about your learning plans. Obviously, there should be a learning plan. So Microsoft, there's another feature where you can actually plan in how to go about your learning. Also, they'll be also announcing what all webinars is available so that you can go about it. So you can again, learn a lot. And this is the fifth point is for us. We need to prepare, and I want each one of you to send me something that what you want to learn and achieve by latest by 26th. I want to get a report, and by July 15th you need to do a presentation, or you can go for a certification, either choice. So I'll just would like to introduce Dynamics Learning Portal. It's a partner source integrated learning portal, and it's dedicated to give value addition to the Microsoft Dynamics partners. And obviously, this website, or this portal actually helps us to increase our competency levels. Obviously, our knowledge acquisition is more. So obviously, you will be it ensures that it actually says that it helps in accelerating our business growth rate, which means you get a lot of information. You'll be able to speak to your prospects or customers very very smoothly. You know how to really prospect because you already have the knowledge. So this is about talking, right? So that's fine. So that's what it says, and obviously it's for only Dynamics partners. That's like us, Metadata. So this is only open to us partners, and obviously it has a lot of learning resources. Like let's see, presentations, videos, PDFs, a lot of them. So even your tests can be evaluated. So also it gives an overview of what are the certifications or assessments that is available from Microsoft. And it's not only confined to CRM. It's open to other platforms like AX, GP, Navision, Solomon 4, that's SL. So I would like to show you, this is actually the latest learning portal, and this is actually the old one, or it says current the Dynamics e-learning site. There are two of them actually. So e-learning site is quite accessible to everyone. It's like the normal certification assessment that you get. You get badges and all your points are be recorded. But this is what the e-learning site will offer. But a partner portal is having a lot of, it has, or it gives us a lot of features, or a lot of materials for us to actually learn and enhance our knowledge. This is one of the screenshots of, obviously that's my dashboard. Actually, I took a screenshot of it. So if you see in this learning portal, what you do is you have to go to, just have to Google, Dynamics Learning Portal by Microsoft. The first link will appear over there. Go ahead, click it. What you do is you have to sign in with your live ID or Hotmail ID, but it has to be assigned to Metadata's profile. That means it's associated with our company. So what you do is you sign in as a Dynamics partner. You go ahead, you log in, you get inside this homepage. Obviously, you will have a lot of notifications. Obviously, this page will actually help you how to, it gives a navigate you to how to go about, what are the features of it. So this is the dashboard. Obviously, it's very straightforward. You don't have to really, you won't really get messed up. So I'll just tell you what happens. Obviously, what you do is directly go ahead, click on the product that you desire to learn. Obviously, CRM is something which you need to learn. Go ahead with the CRM, click on that. Then obviously, what you do is you choose your desired courses, or the interest factors, or that's marketing for us, right? So go ahead, click on marketing. You get a lot of chapters or lessons that comes in, and then you go ahead and take those courses like PDFs or videos. You can actually go and go through. So the features of Dynamics Learning Portal. So obviously it has a course catalog. It has access to lab environments. So obviously you can go ahead and test it for yourself. What it does it, I actually went through a scenario. It's about customer services in a CRM. So what you do is they have given a scenario, you have to design it. So what you do is you click on the link, it goes to another page, and there you can actually have a virtual environment or a lab environment is created, so you can actually work around on that. And obviously, it also announces a lot of workshop offers, that is worldwide, and calendar events, webinars, everything is there. So obviously, now the sir was mentioning about the Barcelona, we have a convergence, right? So all those updates, everything will be available. So you can go ahead and you can do that. Learning plans means here is, it means you, like for marketing, you actually select a course and then go ahead. You can plan according to yourself when you want to take this course. So what it does is it sends, you can actually mention your email ID also. And what it does is it pops, it sends in a reminder to your email. Okay, this course is pending. Or what it does is, when you click on a course, there will be .ics format. That is an Outlook file. You actually click on it and it saves as a meeting request in your calendar, so that you won't lose track of your courses. So it will send you a reminder. Okay, you need to do this course on this time. Then course resources for classroom environment. That is for actually our certifications and assessments. So definitely, it actually facilitates with a lot of material so that you will be able to do your certifications effectively. Preparation guides are all there. Then obviously your course task gets extra. You have a lot of data on it. This is one of the screenshot again on the terms of courses. Yeah. So obviously this is the main dashboard. It's not confined to marketing. It's showing all the courses or the latest courses. The latest courses, if you can see on the left hand side, it's all the latest courses. Mind, please be aware that it will be available also in different languages like Chinese or German, or so we need to have a track of it. So here if you see automating Microsoft Dynamics CRM with business process management. So like that, you have a lot of courses here: introduction to Microsoft Dynamics CRM online, so even marketing. So this is all like French. If you see 8086 AAE, so these are all exam codes. So all those data, all those courses will be available. So we see course resources will be available. That is a PDF or PPTs or videos. All the files will be available. If you click on videos, it actually, what is it, streams the videos as well. Virtual labs, as I mentioned earlier. Obviously, they'll be having live scenarios. You can work on it. Then workshop offers. Again, what you say. It actually pops up, or it gives you information of what are the events, upcoming events, so that you can register. Some of the upcoming certifications, like now for our functional marketing. Okay, I wanted to tell you guys, one of the certifications is actually going to be obsolete, or it's going to expire by June 30th. July 1st, another marketing certification is coming in. It's 809. It was 820. 820 it's been taken out. Now we have to take 809. So these guys, they keep revamping new certifications. So the old certification, the one which actually sir actually wanted Rojan Shahin to do it, that's not gonna be valid anymore. By 30th, they have to take it, or they have to go for the new course. So it gives such updates so that you don't go and then retiring. If you click on retiring, means these are the courses which are going to get retired, or it's going to get over, or it's going to get expired. So also it updates on that as well. So this is the learning portal again. There are learning plans as I mentioned. The course catalog is there, workshop offers, calendar events, exam preparation guides. So if you click on overview, it actually shows. Okay, it also gives you a guide. Okay, how to use it. What is a DLP learning plan? So obviously, it says readiness learning plan. So it gives actually an information of what you have to do. What is the value add? What's the value add for the learners? Obviously, you will be able to learn more quicker. You don't have to go around to websites and hunt for materials. You can everything is in one window. You can actually go ahead and do that. So as a DLP user, now what we can achieve? Obviously, you can consume assets through readiness learning portal, or you can create new. You can create new learning plans. You can plan accordingly, like what all courses you need to take. So marketing is a wide area. So from there, what all you can achieve. So those kind of activities you'll be able to generate. You can, yeah, as I mentioned again, you can customize your own learning plan. There will be a standard learning plan. You can customize it again, and you can learn whatever you want. Everything is available there, and there will be training assets. You can filter down, you can select your filter down, and you can actually play around with the live scenarios. You can share your learning plan among ourselves. So I can share my learning plan with Rima. Rima want to have a look at it. So we all are connected, so we can do that as well. You can schedule time directly on the calendar, so to consume training when it's used. So obviously you can plan accordingly. You go to the course, click it, you can set a time, it goes to reflects directly on Outlook, and then it pops up. And then you can also evaluate your progress, how you're doing your new courses. Once one chapter is complete, it shows you 100% complete, or pops up with the points, so you know what you're progressing, how your progress is. Then you can print and export whatever details you want. So what are the information on the e-course catalog, what I mentioned earlier? So obviously this DLP offers a 100, what do you say, levels. Like we say 100 for beginners, 200 for intermediate, and 300 for advanced learning resources. There are 100 beginner learning resources, 200 intermediate, 300 advanced. I don't know why advanced they get more. Anyways, there are more of 300 learning resources for advanced. So you'll have more better learning experience. So making use of DLP. Now this is our role. It comes to obviously metadata is invested in having DLP. It's for 1 year, and it's not a free what do you say? It's not a free affair. It costs a lot. It costs around 76,000 rupees. So it's not a small amount. Actually, this was taken for Bilu, because Bilu wanted to learn about dynamics marketing when Eagle Hills came up. So he has made a lot of use of it, and he actually even told me also, like, Sajjan, there are a lot of materials around. It's quite okay. Like dynamics marketing is a pretty new platform, so there are still more areas to be explored. But in terms of CRM, it's massive. In terms of marketing materials, also it's got pretty good number of materials. So I believe we all should, build up a learning plan, and then, learn a lot, grab a lot of knowledge. So obviously, you can outshine others as well. I don't think all the Dynamics partners, I don't think everyone has a DLP access. I don't know how much you will be spending for a DLP, because DLP is not for free. You have to pay for it. I'm not sure. I don't think there will be a lot of people who is actually using DLP. So maybe we have a chance, or we have something already. We already have it there. Why can't we use it? So, as I mentioned, role-based learning can be achieved. So obviously, if you're in marketing, you can learn it. Sales, separate is it. Projects, developers, technical. So for them, it's massive. They have a lot of materials. I can tell you technical, because ERP, everything is there. For us also, there are pretty, what are kind of materials we can use. What is it? Aids. What is it? Visual aids or something like that. PPTs. What all you can use. Yeah. Obviously, create your learning plan and get more product knowledge. This is how a readiness learning plan page appears before your screen. So as I mentioned, if you see here the learning plan, so it's ask you for select a role. So what you do is you select a role. You can see the number of roles. It's not like sales, marketing, or technical element. You can see developer, leadership, marketing, mid-market, pre-sales. So they've broken down into different what do you say, there different units, or that. So they were really breaking it down. So obviously you can actually find your own area of interest as well. Technology consultants, so project managers, so they have a lot of scenarios. You can actually click on that, and then you get your materials. So the best part is that when I selected the marketing role, I see the first video social listening because we need to learn about social media, right? So that's one good thing. Then about the dynamic CRM, it comes under general. Then marketing will come in like that. So as we all know, we need to go through this learning, and I wish someone can also go ahead with some certifications, especially for some functional marketing. It's pretty good. So deadline is 15th July, as sir mentioned, day before yesterday. So obviously, what I want you guys to do, even if you don't do a certification, you'll be the first one to do it. Don't worry. There's no HR certification. It's called marketing. So we have a deadline for 15th July. So what do you do next? I want all three of you. Okay, myself. I'm gonna then shoot maybe for us because only we had a session. But Friday I want you all to explore DLP, and then I'm sure take up some energy. I'm not saying study the whole marketing or something. For now, take a like social media doesn't count because there's only one video. So let's not escape with that. Go through the CRM part and then try to analyze. Okay, how much you can finish. Commit the one which you'll be able to finish. So just have a look at the materials and come up with a agenda or your plan. How much you're going to learn, when you're going to present it. That's all I want you from you guys. So just shoot out an email to me with all this. And the presentations will be held on Fridays and Saturdays until July 15th. For Dubai, I'll be putting it on Thursdays, but I don't know how effective it will be.
Even Saturday we can put more.
Saturdays also they'll be free. So that's why I put a Saturday. And Friday, obviously, we are also free. So obviously, that's one reason why I put Friday. And please send me your learning reports also once you finish learning. So that's it. Also, I want you guys to check out this video. It's mbspartner.microsoft.com. I'll forward this PPT to everyone. And there's a FAQ, frequently asked questions video, so you can actually go ahead and check the videos. If you don't understand what I said, also you can go to these videos and you get more knowledge. So that's all from me about Dynamics Learning Portal. If you have any questions, shoot out to me. And if you want me to go through the portal directly, I can do that also, no problem.